Hello all. In today's video we're going to show how to install Windows 10X using Hyper-V. So before install Windows 10X, there are a few things that you need to do. First, we have to enable virtualization from the BIOS settings. After that, you need to enable Hyper-V. By default Hyper-V is available for all the versions of Windows 10, except for Home. So for Windows 10 Home users, in our last video, we show how you can install Hyper-V using a batch file, which roughly takes around 2 minutes, so watch that video first. Tick the checkbox under Hyper-V, and hit the OK button. And your system will prompt for a restart after the installation is done. Now in the search bar, type Hyper-V. Click on it. Now, click on New and select Virtual Machine. We will name it as Windows 10X. And hit the Next button. Now choose Generation 2 and continue. Here we need to allot RAM to the Windows 10X virtual machine. For better performance, allot 4 GB or more. Now hit the Next button. Choose Default Switch from the drop-down menu and continue. Click on Use an existing virtual hard disk, and select the flash.vhdx file, which you can download from the link in the description. Finally, click on Finish. Now, we create the virtual machine. To run it, right-click on the virtual machine and choose Connect. Click on Start. Now it will start loading Windows 10X. The process will take some time. Now we need to complete the Windows 10X installation process. Now log in using your Microsoft account. Now you need to create a PIN. And the PIN should be a minimum of 6 digits, and also you can include alphabets or symbols if you want. If you are concerned about your privacy, you can turn on and off this setting. For now, I keep it like this and continue. Finally, we have successfully installed Windows 10X. Unlike other Windows versions, Microsoft has made it clear that there will be no upgrade from current Windows 10 PCs to Windows 10X. Starting with its features, the most notable feature is the updated taskbar. The Start menu is now being completely redesigned with icons relocated to the center, and a new Action Center which makes it look similar to Chrome OS's notification panel. With that said, Windows 10X has a simple and clean interface and it's worth giving it a try. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, consider subscribing and like. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.